Hi friends, welcome to the new video. Today IRCC has implemented the new NOC codes under NOC 2021. So what you have to do with your profile, this is most important. Unless you update your profile with the new NOC codes, it will not be considered. So in order to complete the process of filing, you must update your profile today. So for those who have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you get the intimation of other videos in time, and also watch the video till end so that you get the complete information. So let's enter the video now. First of all, what you have to do, you have to sign in. You can sign in the IRCC account. You have the options with GC key, sign in partner. You already have the profile, so you just sign in. So when your account opens, you have to click on the check your full application status. Then you have to click on view your profile. After that, this type of window opens, and then you go to the work history update form. Now here you will find under the occupations, primary occupation. Earlier it was a 4-digit NOC code. Now it is 5-digit NOC code. So you can find your NOC, or otherwise if you have already searched your NOC code. For example, somebody has his NOC code 21222, Information System Specialist. So we will feed it here and click outside the box. It is now done. Then we can go to the next, press the next button, then again press the next button, again press the next button, then we find this page. Here you can go and modify the details. So here the work history, in this column you have to fill the new NOC code, and details are as it is. So next, then press next. Then we press save and exit. Now this is updated. Now this is our profile. We press here continue. Then we have to press the name, last name, security question, sign. Then you have to transmit the application. So the message comes, congratulations, you have successfully submitted your application or profile. So the process of updating the NOC code is complete. It's showing now submitted. You can also check your file for the other entries, and if something is to be changed, you can change that, or something is left, you can add that. So with this we come to the end of the video. Please subscribe the channel, those who have not subscribed it, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice time.